Okay, so you're back at it again for day 9. That's awesome. Good for you for keep on going for continuing. Good for you for continuing with this. Today we are going to get into customizing your course, focusing on the user end. Yesterday was on the back end. Today is going to be on the front end, and we're going to just go through that experience. So let's jump right into it. Here in the dashboard, we come up to products, and we can either go all products or courses. But all products is always closer, so I just usually click on that. And here you can see we've got our Starship piloting course. It says that it's a course there, and since we are in all products, if we had these other types of products, they would be identified as well with a little bubble at the bottom there. Now, notice there isn't a picture for this course. So eventually we're going to want to put something in there. When you click on the Starship piloting, you come into what we did yesterday, the back end, the outline for all of your content. Today, we're going to focus on customizing the front end, the user experience. So when you click on customize here, you have to hover over this and then hit customize again. Before we do that though, I want you to notice that we are using the Premiere product. And if we click over here on install template, there are a few different products here that we can do. The Premiere product, the Prosper product, the Momentum product. Momentum and Premiere are the two big main Kajabi products. Here you can notice there's Gamify Lite with a sidebar, Sunset. These are hero-made products. And if you want to use these, like this is Gamify Lite, that's telling me that there's going to be some unlockable content that you have to pay for if you want to use that. Now, there is a hero-made, there's a whole store of hero-made courses, and you can even upload templates that you buy outside of Kajabi. So if you don't go to the store in Kajabi to buy them, you can go outside of Kajabi and buy and upload templates. But just be aware that Momentum and Premiere are the two main Kajabi products that are most popular. And I'm just actually going to hit cancel here. And I wonder where that store is. Let's see. We'll go to the dashboard. I can't just mention the store. Here it is. Kajabi experts. Visit the store. So that's where you go if you want to look at hiring other Kajabi people to do stuff for you or buying their templates. All right, so jumping back into the course, we are going to click Customize. We are going to hover over this and hit Customize again. And now we are in the front end, the user side of your course. So I want you to notice that it looks a lot like a landing page in the sense that when you hover over things, the blue dots come around, the edit button is there. When you are over text, you can go in and edit that text. And when you click on things, the toolbar on the left changes. And so that is a very inlined Kajabi way of doing things, aligned way. You can also click over here in the toolbar and navigate and use the back button. And in some of these things, there are pieces of content you can add. And in other ones, it is just checkboxes and names. And so you're going to need to take some time to explore this toolbar and everything you can do on this page. This page is called, right up here, the product page. And notice when I click on this drop down, there's announcements, categories, all of these pages. The product page and the post page are most important. And the sidebars are different on all of these pages because the pages have different functions. So notice here I've got the actual player. This is where the videos are, the lessons are shown that are in this module, comments, downloads. This is the post page. So explore all of these. Click on the post sidebar. Do I want to see it? Do I want to not see it? Just hit these buttons. Right now it's showing the downloads. What other content can I add? I've got these content blocks. Take some time and just explore all of these and see what they do. There's not that many pages, and these other pages up here and search are really small, so they're easy to cover. You're going to want to focus most of your effort on post and product. One big change that I want to kind of show you right away is the product syllabus. So when I click on that, I can change the syllabus to be posts or categories. And notice what's happening here. The posts is showing all of the lessons. If I click categories, it jumps just to the modules or the categories. And if I don't like that it says modules there, I can go here and go buckets. And now it says buckets. I'm going to put that back, modules. Again, I really just can't stress enough. Take the time to go through all of these different bars. That is really what's going to let you understand what you can do here in this space. I will show you as well this Starship piloting, this learn to fly in space. This is being pulled from the title. If I click here, notice it's saying show title and show description. I honestly don't like doing that because you can't edit these at all right here. You can just show them. And so what I do is I click on them there. I go to the back area. Notice I'm in the hero section and I just add my own text. So here, product info, that's what this was. I'm going to delete that block and I'm going to add content. I'm going to add text, hit back. I'm going to drag that above the button. I'm going to click in here and now I can go Starship piloting, learn to fly in space. And I can just edit this the way that I want it. So I did like that that was big, but maybe I want it to be a different color. And I couldn't do that before. But now that I have it in text, I can make those types of edits. So that wraps up what I've got to show you for designing the front end or the user side of your course. Take your time, click all the buttons, look around, see what options you can do, explore, and just have some fun, figuring out all of the different things that you can do here. Once you've got a good understanding on what can be done, you'll probably find it pretty easy to decide what you like. And then just a few settings, a few tweaks, and your course is going to be looking great. So I'll leave that to you, and I will see you tomorrow.